Hey fam, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make shampoo for your natural hair or locks. Start by heating up some water. For this tutorial I will be using African black soap. We'll start by prepping our black soap. Cut your black soap into little pieces. This particular day was a really warm day, so as I was cutting the black soap into pieces, it was kind of sticking to my hands and to the knives. But as much as possible, make your pieces as tiny as possible. Once you're done chopping, transfer them into a container. Our hot water is ready. As you can see, it has reached boiling point. You can see the steam coming out. It is ready. Now transfer the hot water into the bowl of chopped African black soap. Make sure the water covers the black soap, the chopped pieces of black soap. And then I'm just using a spoon to push in any piece that is dangling. When I'm done, I just cover it up and let it sit for a while. After it cools down a bit, I add a few drops of essential oils, and this is what it should look like when it has melted. The funnel I had was too big, so I turned this Ziploc bag into a funnel. Now don't forget to stir before you transfer your shampoo so that the essential oil mixes well into the shampoo. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts every time I upload a video. And that's our shampoo, guys. All natural shampoo. I've been using this shampoo for about 5 years and it is awesome. If you try this recipe, if you try this at home, please let me know in the comment section. And till next time, guys, that's our tutorial. Bye.